Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman for CDOCS.com, and this is the tip of the day. Today I'd like to talk about restoration color. When designing a crown, especially for anterior teeth, but really for any design, the restoration color is a little bit too shiny and it tends to just wash out any of the contour in the crown. So I like to go under Analyze Tools, and I'm just going to turn off my restoration color. And you'll notice when we do that, now we can see the true contours of that design. If there's any lumps or bumps or irregular surfaces, that's just going to show up immediately. So once we have it on, you can just see it just completely washes everything out. It's just too shiny. So as a matter of habit, I just always go under Restoration, under Analyze Tools and Restoration Color, and I just turn it off, and I just always leave it off. And I feel like we just have a truer look at what our design is. So I hope this information was helpful, and if you would like to see more, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.